Hello everybody. This week we're going to do something a little different. You're supposed to take Monday off because it's a teacher work day, but you are allowed to work if you want, just like I am. I'll be grading and, phone calls and stuff. What you're going to do is you're going to play with Desmos. We're going to input two different functions, and you're going to compare and contrast. I have my Desmos up. Make sure you have your Desmos up, and make sure if I'm going too fast, you pause the recording. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at a parabola, which is a quadratic equation. That's what we've been working on. And again, we're trying to get from quadratics to circles, and that's what we're doing today is we're going to make that jump. So here's what we're going to do. Bottom left, A, B, C, A, go back to your letters, parenthesis, x minus, not double minus, just minus, h, close it, squared, a, parentheses, x minus h squared, plus k, there's k, equals y. So that's your function. And you'll notice underneath the function it says add slider AHK. We're going to go ahead and add all three of them. So what you're going to submit to me is a picture of this, so go ahead and take a screenshot. Now, we're going to play with our sliders. And what you're going to have to do is tell me what the three sliders do. So slider A does what? It does two different things. So slider A does what? Slider H does what? You have to tell me what slider H does. And then what does slider K do? So those are the three questions you're going to have to answer for me. So your answer should be, for a parabola, the A value, and tell me what it does. For a parabola, the H value. For a parabola, the K value. Now, something that's kind of fun, if you look over here on the sides, there's all sorts of nifty things you can do. I'm not going to tell you what they are. If you're feeling experimentary, yeah, you can go ahead and do that. Now remember, take a screenshot, answer the questions. I'll put them in your assignment for the week, and then you're going to move on to your next graph. So now we're at a circle, finally. We're finally back from the algebra back to the geometry. We're still in Desmos. We're going to input a new function. So we're going to start with parentheses this time. So it's going to be x, ooh, makes a line, nice, minus, go to your letters, h. Can you guess what it's going to be? Squared, very cool, plus y, oops, parentheses, y, and then we're going to do minus k, and again we're going to square it, equals, now this time we're going to have a third squared value, and this is r. I wonder what r stands for when we're talking about a circle. What does r stand for when we're talking about a circle? I've made a mistake, so I'm going to go back and change that second h to a k. All right, I know I did it wrong because I only had two sliders. Think back to the parabola. What did h do? What did k do? Now, if we're talking about a circle, what do you think r is? Go ahead and hit all on your sliders. Ta-da! We have a circle. Isn't that great? It's pretty. It's lovely. Again, you're going to tell me, in a circle, the h value does this. In a circle, the h value does this. In a circle, the k value does this. And in a circle, the r value does this. That's kind of nifty. Okay. So that's your assignment for the week. Again, take a screenshot of this so I know that you were able to type it into your function, type your function into Desmos. So you're sending me 2 pictures, and you're sending me 2 written responses. The H, K, and R value do this for circles, and the H and K value do this, and the A value do this for whatever in the parabola. Have a great week. Stay out of trouble. I'll see you next week.